All right, ladies and gentlemen, we're back with our trade journal for Tuesday night, April the 4th, 2023. All right, let's jump right into this. So you got Bitcoin futures up here. You still have a bearish trend momentum reading in this bullish environment. So I'm still expecting prices to drop over the next 3 to 5 days as the market has just come off of a neutralization process. Next up, we got silver. Silver is in a bullish environment with a bullish trend momentum reading, and I expect silver to continue to run because it now took out that $25 resistance that I was warning you about. So not only did the market rally, and from the rally alert from March the 9th, but now here we are. So from March the 9th, when the market was at $20, it's now rallied to the $25 target that we spoke about and have been speaking about. So round of applause is necessary for the pulse waves. Amazing call on that rally. And I'm expecting for this market to continue to do so. All right, you want to see Litecoin? All right, let's see here what we got. Let's see if I can access that for you. I think I may be able to. Let's see. All right, let's see here. All right. For some odd reason, it's not coming up. So let's try something else. Here we go. All right, I think I got it for you here. All right, so as you can see here on Litecoin, the market is in a bearish environment with a bearish trend momentum reading, and we came into today with a crash alert. So I am expecting for prices to head lower over the next 3 to 5 trading days. And the first support is at $85, followed by the $75 support at the bottom of the Kumo cloud for Litecoin. All right. Next up, we have Ethereum futures. And you can see here we're in a bullish environment, and we have a bullish trend momentum reading. And this one just hit a new weekly high. So this one is wide open to continue to run at this point. Next up, we have the US dollar index. And you will note that this one is in a bearish environment with a bullish trend momentum reading, and the market keeps being supported at this pullback. And this support line here, the 101, is acting as a support zone. And you've had multiple positive bot checks in a row with nothing happening yet. So be prepared for this one to explode higher, okay? And you had a rally alert coming into today, but the market continued to pull back a little bit. So this is rare to have this many back-to-back bot checks followed by a rally alert and then nothing happened just yet. So that means that the upside could be quite explosive, ladies and gentlemen. So FYI warning on the US dollar index. This one could explode any day now. All right. And that will put pressure on the euro. Next up is, let's see what we got. All right. We did all these. Okay. And we did silver. All right. All right, this is Nat Gas, still in a bear market with a bearish trend momentum reading and now a neutralization bar on the back of a rally alert. So this one is still not going anywhere. Next up is the Dow. So the Dow still in a bullish environment with a bearish trend momentum reading, folks. You cannot make this stuff up. This is what it is. This is what it's giving you. And we have a crash alert for tonight into tomorrow's trading for the Dow. Now, I know this is a holiday week coming up. Friday's Good Friday. Markets will be closed or whatever. So FYI, and you're already at the Kumo Cloud resistance zone. You got mad resistance at the 35,000 level, way up high there. I think this is where the bears are going to come in now and just smack this thing right back down. So FYI, crash alert on the Dow. Crash alert on the Dow. On the NASDAQ, you got a bullish environment now, and you have a crash alert with a neutralization bar. That means once this thing comes off of neutralization, I'm expecting for this one to also pull back to at least maybe the 12,500 level. All right, so a huge potential drop coming in the NASDAQ. Next up is gold. Gold is in a bullish environment with a bullish trend momentum reading, and we just hit a new 52-week high in gold. And now you're getting a rally alert on top of that. So gold right now seems to be wide open. Crazy how these things tend to happen, isn't it? Now, last time we got an alert similar to this one, the market had this explosive move. So gold is wide open, folks. Wide open. Next up is the S&P 500, which has just crossed over from a bearish to a bullish environment, but you still got a bearish trend momentum reading, and the 4,200 level is your initial upside target resistance. And you also have a crash alert. So it looks like this S&P is getting ready and ripe to roll over. Initial support is going to be down around the 3950 level. So this one has quite a ways to drop, folks. Looks like a major drop is setting up for the U.S. stock indices. Crude oil right now is in a bearish environment with a bullish trend momentum reading, and you got a gap up here that's going to need to be reconciled. So once that happens, then we'll see where the market can go from there. But yeah, interesting what the OPEC thing did there. All right, Russell is in a bearish environment with a bullish trend momentum reading, and you can see how the market came off today. It's really having a hard time. It's not like the other indices. I think the Russell is telling the truth, while the other indices are just being pumped up by the plunge protection team. I think a big mess to the downside is coming, and it's going to be brutal. All right, so with this one, you still got the bullish trend momentum reading. So until this comes off, the market still can get up to the bottom of the Kumo cloud around the 1850 level until this changes. If this flips back to red, though, that means the bear market has reclaimed the market, and it's going to take it to new lows. And we're looking at a potential drop below 1700. All right, in the Russell. All right, folks, that's it. So, yeah, a lot to be taking a look at. There's a lot of potential warnings up here for tonight. So definitely take heed and smash that like button, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.